Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your iPhone to a Toyota Highlander. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening settings, then tap Bluetooth and leave it on while you sit in the driver's seat. On the Highlander infotainment touchscreen, open the Bluetooth or phone menu and choose to add a new device. Follow the prompts to confirm a PIN and allow contacts to sync so calls and audio work smoothly. Begin by putting the Highlander into accessory or run mode so the system powers up. Open Bluetooth on your iPhone and make sure it is discoverable. Then on the vehicle, select Add Device or Pair Phone from the phone menu. When a PIN appears, confirm that the numbers match on both screens and tap Pair on your iPhone. Allow the system to access contacts and favorites for hands-free calling and messaging features to work properly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and tap like to support future tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for road trips, fits most cup holders, and saves you from spilled coffee while you pair your phone. It's lightweight and keeps drinks cold, which makes long drives easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, restart your iPhone and cycle the Highlander infotainment by turning the vehicle off and back on. On the iPhone, go to Bluetooth, tap the info icon next to the vehicle name, and choose Forget this device before trying again. Also check for iOS updates on the iPhone and any Toyota infotainment updates, as current software often fixes connectivity bugs and improves stability for calls and Apple CarPlay connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.